In January 2026, workers doing routine sampling at Cheyenne, Wyoming's water treatment facilities found something that did not belong there. Unusual white colonies in the wastewater and reclaimed irrigation system. By February 23rd, the Wyoming Public Health Lab had a name for it, Cupriavidus gilardii, a rare naturally occurring bacterium with intrinsic multi-drug resistance, meaning the resistance is built into its biology, not acquired, built in, including resistance to certain last resort antibiotics used in clinical settings. By March, they had traced the source, fill and flush wastewater discharges from Meta's AI data center under construction in High Plains Business Park south of Cheyenne. The project operates under a corporate entity called GOAT Systems LLC, $800 million investment. Between January and March, approximately 801,475 gallons of construction wastewater went into Cheyenne's municipal sewer system. That water carried the bacterium with it. On March 24th, discharge privileges were permanently terminated. Now here's the part that should make every American paying attention to AI infrastructure stop and think. The public was not notified until June 26th, 5 months after those unusual white colonies were first observed. 5 months during which the reclaimed irrigation system, the water feeding Cheyenne's parks, golf course, operational. The Cheyenne Board of Public Utilities said they delayed notification partly to prevent panic. I want to be fair about what happened here. Cheyenne's drinking water was not affected. The BOPU assessed the public health risk as low. No infections linked to this incident have been reported. Those facts matter, and I am not going to overstate them. But here's what I cannot get past: 5 months. A drug-resistant bacterium in municipal water infrastructure tied to a major industrial construction project, and residents did not find out for 5 months. People walked through those parks. Kids played on those golf courses. Animals drank from those spaces. For 5 months while the city knew and stayed quiet. That is a policy choice. And it raises a question every community in this country needs to be asking right now. What is the disclosure standard when a major data center construction project introduces something into your municipal water system? Who decides when you get to know? And what happens in a community with a different water table, a different aquifer connection, or a utility board that is less attentive than Cheyenne's? The BOPU has now written new rules prohibiting similar discharges from data centers using closed-loop and fill and flush systems. Good, but those rules came after the contamination, not before it. AI data centers are being built across this country at a pace and scale we have never seen. The electricity demands are documented. The water consumption is documented. The wastewater management practices and what they introduce into local municipal infrastructure have not been part of the public conversation. Cheyenne just made them part of it. The full written report with the complete timeline, all source details, and the questions communities need to be raising with their local utilities is available at Real Adam Schultz on Facebook and on Substack. Search Schultz Report. Links are in the comments. Follow the signal. Stay informed. This is Adam Schultz with the Schultz Report.